Hello, Ticket Shaw there. We're going to the cinema to see Go and the charity shop and go and get my car. We're going to get my car washed. We're going to the charity shop and going to the cinema to see Go. Right. Going to the charity shop and see what they've got before we see the movie. I couldn't find it. I can't have DVDs today because I've got enough DVDs. So I put some hangers for my clothes. Look. Going upstairs to go and see Go. Go up the stairs. Go.
What's up, everybody? I think it's time to hear.
After Go, as we saw Go at the cinema, I'm going back to my car to go to the car wash and then go home afterwards. After the movie is finished, Go is finished, we'll go back to the car and I saw an old car. And there's an old car over there. We'll go back to my modern Peugeot. Let's get a car and go to the car wash. They're washing the car. Look, they're washing the car. Look, they're washing the Peugeot. Getting it nice and clean. Look at that water. Cleaning the Peugeot. Look, my Peugeot is covered in bubbles. Look, they're cleaning the Peugeot, but it's covered in bubbles. It's having a wash.